To SOURAV sir's classes. The question is, let x and y are the digits at the units place of the numbers 4008x, that is in fact that is 4080, so let me call this 408x, and 789y when x not equals y. However, the digits at the units place of the numbers 408x to the power 63 and 789y to the power 85 are the same. What will be the possible values of x plus y? Now, by hit and trial, we take x to be equal to 3 and y equal to 7. So units place when x is equal to 3 gives us 4083 to the power 63. This is equal to 4083 to the power 60 into 4083 to the power 3. So this gives us 1 into 7, which is equal to 7. Now units place when y equal to 7, this is 7897 to the power 85 is equal to 7897 to the power 84 into 7897. Now this again gives us 1 into 7, which is equal to 7. So the value of x plus y is equal to 3 plus 7 is equal to 10. The correct option is option B. The next question is, if 2 less than equal to mod of x minus 1 into mod of y plus 3 less than equal to 5, and both x and y are negative integers, find the number of possible combinations of x and y. Now, by looking at this equation, we can say that mod x minus 1 into mod y plus 3 can have only 4 values, that is 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now taking x to be minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4 and minus 5, we get mod x minus 1. So minus 1 mod of minus 2 is 2. And similarly for x minus 2, mod of minus 2 minus 1, so mod minus 3 is 3. And in this way we get for minus 3 4, then 5, then 6. Now taking y to be minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4 and minus 5, we get mod of y plus 3 equal to, so minus 1 plus 3, that is 2, so 2, 1, mod of minus 3 plus 3, mod 0, 0, now this is 1 and 2. Now for x is equal to minus 1, mod x minus 1 is equal to 2, so we can take 4 values of y so that the resultant is greater than equal to 2 and less than equal to 5. For x is equal to minus 2, mod x minus 1 equals 3, so we get 2 corresponding values of y. For x is equal to minus 3, mod x minus 1 equals 4. So we get again 2 corresponding values of y. And For x equal to minus 4, mod of x minus 1 equals 5. So we again get two corresponding values. Thus in total we have 10 combinations. Therefore the correct option is option E.